सारा करती थी ये।
Okay, next we'll go for back movements. Inhale and stretch back. Exhale and front. Inhale and back. Exhale and front. Inhale and back. Exhale and front. Inhale back. Exhale front. Inhale back. Exhale front. Inhale back. Exhale front. Relax. Next we'll go for sideways stretch. Hand up, right hand up. Stretch. Bend sides. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opposite side stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Next twisting. Hand at the level of your chest. Go for twisting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next, hip joint movements. Palms on your waist. Rotate your hip. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sideways. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Next, hip movements. Hands to the level of your shoulders. Look forward straight. धीरे से श्वास लेते हुए raise your leg up and swing your leg. 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opposite leg. Balance and do it on opposite side. 5, 4, 3. Very good. 2, 1. Relax. Next, hip stretch, thigh stretch upwards, hip movement, hands to the back. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Practice on your own for 10 times. Inhale, exhale. Now backwards. 1, heel should touch to your buttocks. Breathing deeply. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Next, we'll go for hip stretch. Legs up. Balance straight and stretch your thigh. धीरे से श्वास लेकर स्ट्रेच करने का. Balance. 5. Very good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Then opposite side. Rise up. 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Then backwards. Catch your leg. Balance straight. Stretch your arm. See forward straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opposite leg. Stretch and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, relax. Take a deep breath. धीरे से श्वास लेना, धीरे से श्वास छोड़ना. Next, we'll go for knee joint movements. Raise your leg up, right leg up, balance, then stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Opposite leg. Raise up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now hands at your back. Sit-ups. जितना हो सकता है उतना ही कर लीजिए. Exhale and down. Inhale up. Look forward straight. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Inhale. Last one more. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Take a deep breathing. Inhale and exhale deeply. Try to relax your body. Calm down your body. Feel the fresh air touching to your body. Next, sidewards. Bend your legs sideways, stretch your body and go for sideways. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, exhale. Take a deep breathing. धीरे से सांस लेना, धीरे से सांस लेना. Next, we will go for Malabdhasana. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down. Sit comfortably. Back straight. Breathe in normal. 10, 9, very good. 8, 7, 6, 5, breathe in normal. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down. Relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. We'll go for sitting sthiti. Bend your knees. Go to Vajrasana. Hands down. Relax your legs. Release and relax. Take a deep breath. Bring your legs together. On the other side. Then go for ankle movements. 5, 4, 3, 10 back straight, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release your legs, relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Then sideways, bend your knee, go for sideways stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Opposite side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then bend your leg, go for hip swing, hip stretch. 5, 4, 3, back straight रखने का. 2, 1. Then release your leg, opposite side. Stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Opposite leg. Put it on your ankle. Then stretch. Hold the position. Breathing normal. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And leg down. Opposite leg. Stretch. Hold and stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your leg. Relax. Feel the lightness in the legs. धीरे से श्वास लेना है. धीरे से श्वास छोड़ना है. Slowly with the help of elbows, lie down in Shavasana. Relax in Shavasana. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Slowly bring your legs together. Bend your left knee. Turn to your right side. And slowly get up from your right side. Now come to standing sitting. Come to Vajrasana. Stand on your knees. Slowly leg forward. We'll go for Surya Namaskara. So to stand in the front of the mat. Stand in front of the mat. Hands in Namaskara Mudra.